good running. Well, there is a windstorm, and there are some players have been hit by the boards which have blown across. There are 2 players down on the pitch. It's an incredible act of nature. The linesman as well. It came out of nowhere, William Shongwe. Sudden windstorm has just blown the boards across. Jabo Maluleke is one of the players who is down.
And including some the fans as
Let's have a look at what happened. Here is the live action. Now watch at the back there. Look at those boards setting off. The players don't realize there are a couple who... Oh, there was a blow there. And a few more flying across. A couple of players struck. Completely out of the blue. Maluleke caught in the middle there. There is the gust of wind. Look at the linesman on the far side being taken out. That is absolutely incredible. The strength of that wind coming from the far side. What a sudden gust of nature. And now the rain coming down, the lightning